When I don't want to fall down and fall on no rock, I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. Shit, I'm trying to figure out how to get down. Is this like karaoke and hiking?
I've been out of my head. I call you pretty, but it never goes as planned. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you. Try to be serious, but you can never tell. It isn't easy to confess how hard I felt when we've just been friends since the day we met. I don't know what to do, 'cause how can I try?
We're going hiking. Happy birthday to me. A quick fit check. I got whatever this is. Brand new trail shoes. New gear for my GoPro so that I'm not trying to hold the camera and dropping it. And then we got like hella snacks. I don't know how long we think we're gonna be on this mountain, but we got a backpack full of snacks, and then we stopped at Kroger and got more snacks. But anyway, welcome to the vlog.
The lines that we've always had between you and I.
We listened to Kanye coming up here. Y'all let me know. Did y'all listen to the song Monster with Nicki Minaj on it and Kanye when it came out? Because, you know, it sound good, but everybody keeps saying that was like one of the greatest things that she did. We should have bought a smart radio. That might be helpful. But I guess the sound of nature. Can y'all hear the birds? So you tell me you're going to do the whole ultra without music, no headphones or nothing?
Yeah, because you need to concentrate. Sometimes you get lost in the music. And you ain't going to be fine. You get a face full of rock.
When I don't want to fall down and fall on no rock. Do you know what the trail is? Like, did they release what the route is? The running route? Oh, I ain't seen it. Oh, wait a minute. Is the ultra gonna look like this?
It ain't this deep.
It's definitely steep now.
I'm just a friend to you. How can I make you change your mind to see me?
Right.
Even though it may be patchy, but it's consistently on that side.
So that's how you know it's the north side. We did. We walked all the way from, I think, from the west trail.
Really?
I told you we crossed tracks and everything. Oh, shit. I almost fell. I was moving too slow for you back. So let me find another way. Oh, I should have went that way.
Your heartbeat going just as fast as mine. 'Cause I could be your guy. I see you.
So is this Poison Avenue? This looks like the leaves of 3. I heard somebody say Poison Avenue. Now I'm thinking. I'm going to tell y'all a secret. I forgot to put on deodorant and sunscreen. Even though I laid them both out to do. I think I just ended up putting them in my bag. I don't know if the deodorant would last anyway. Because it's humid here. It's really, really humid. But now I'm sweaty. No sunscreen. No deodorant. I'm going to tell y'all this because we like this. We close. Don't tell nobody else. Do you know my favorite Nicki verse?
Why are we talking about nigga verse on the mountain?
Cause.
Look out there, look. Look through there. Look through there.
Anyway, Up All Night with her and Drake. That's my favorite one to get me hype.
Look through there.
Oh, still looking at me. Still looking at me. Success. I feel like the last time I was on this mountain, I definitely got bit by some chickens. I was itching all deep down up in my socks, so I dared to wear shorts again without long hiking socks. So hopefully no chickens this time. But isn't it just gorgeous? And now that I'm actually up on top of the mountain, it's like really, really breezy. Like, it feels good. I feel like all the sweat just dried up. This is like my 4th time hiking this mountain. I feel like I'm getting to like intermediate level. I'm ready to try bigger things. I was trying to convince myself that I'm ready for Everest, but You know, baby steps. Baby steps. Maybe Mount Kilimanjaro before Everest. So we're going to go down the easy side. We come up the hard side and go down the easy side. Shit. But I don't need that right now. Shit, I'm trying to figure out how to get down. Did you say, oh shit? I thought I heard you say, oh shit. I was like, see, that's what I'm going through. These goddamn bugs. Is we on the mountain? Kind of outside, huh? Okay, that's fine. Oh, I feel like it's more bugs this way. And so starts the rain. You gotta be careful because these rocks are a little bit slippery. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow. Can y'all tell the rain let up? Carry on, the rain just won't let up. Is this like karaoke and hiking? Let me know. I can do whatever. Yup. I instantly just thought about that girl.
What was that song? My favorite song. She would be like, you can say whatever. I can do whatever. It's so hard. Yeah. Bitch always sound like she just woke up. I love her.
Woke up early this morning, feeling all in my zone, and I'm about to kill it.
Made it. 2 hours and 38 minutes. Plus rain. We picked all the snacks. We ate one snack. We should have packed ponchos or raincoats. One time for the natural girls. The water that do nothing but dry it up like regular. Now it's time to get dry and find food. And I'm back. That hike was awesome. Like the treacherous rain made it even more outdoorsy and adventurous. This one of the most, I think, outdoorsy birthdays that I've had. With like where I wanted the trip to be very outdoorsy. I might have done something like this before. Don't quote me. But the hike was definitely wonderful. Of course, we done went and got something to eat. We ate at The Root here in Little Rock. It's like a farm to table kind of place that, what did I get? I guess if I wanted y'all to know, I would have showed y'all, right? Y'all don't want to hear it and y'all can't see it. But anyway, we stopped at Whole Foods and got some junk food from the cookie bar. And I just wanted to come in and end the vlog. I don't know if it was technically a vlog, but basically end the hike. Okay, we hiked at Mount Pinnacle in Little Rock, Arkansas, and they do have an easy side. We hiked up the East Trail, which is the hard side, and then we came down the West Trail, which is the yellow trail, which is like a more medium to easy trail. So y'all don't have to go up the hard side if y'all did decide to hike Mount Pinnacle. I cannot talk as always. Y'all can definitely go up the easy side, or y'all could just hike like the base where you don't actually climb the rocks at all. But overall, 10 out of 10. And I will see you guys next time. Until then.
Chill it. I don't know, I just feel it. It's the first day of summer. Got a feeling, I swear. Feeling, I swear. I'ma be the king before school come back.